Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to modify chat themes and backgrounds in Google Chat. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to chat.google.com. You'll need to log in using your Google credentials to access your chat interface and customize its appearance. Once you're logged in and can see your main chat dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open up your settings panel. This is where you'll find all the customization options for personalizing your Google Chat experience. After the settings panel opens, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see several options listed. From this menu, click on Appearance. This section is specifically designed for visual customization, allowing you to change how your chat interface looks and feels to match your personal preferences. Now you'll see various customization options available to you. The first thing you'll notice is a selection of colors displayed on your screen. Click on any color that catches your eye to choose the theme you want for your Google Chat. Each color option changes the overall aesthetic of your chat interface, so pick one that suits your style or helps reduce eye strain during long conversations. Next, you'll see an option labeled Mode. Here you can select from 3 different display modes. You have System, which automatically adjusts based on your device settings. Light Mode for a brighter interface that works well in well-lit environments. Or Dark Mode, which is easier on the eyes in low light conditions and can help save battery on certain devices. Choose the one that best fits your working environment and personal preference. Finally, take a look at the density setting. This option allows you to control how much information is displayed on your screen at once. You can choose either Comfortable, which gives you more spacing between elements, making everything easier to read and less cluttered, or Compact, which reduces the spacing and allows you to see more conversations and messages on your screen simultaneously. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple chats and need to maximize your screen space. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Google Chat appearance to match your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.